Rainy season. Rainy season starts in the month of June and continues until September. Rainy season comes at the end of the summer season. It is also known as monsoon season. Trees and plants become greener during this season. It adds a lot of beauty to our environment. We get drinking water from rains. The rainy season is a favorite of kids, farmers, animals and plants. Children love to play in the rainwater. We use umbrellas and raincoats in this season. Rivers, ponds and dams are filled with water in this season. In rainy season, sometimes we can see rainbow on the sky. Rainy season clear our environment from pollution.